So I thought we'd have a little bit of fun today as we are learning prime numbers so that we can do prime factorization. And I'm going to share with you a song I wrote way back when I was at university. We had to do a creative way to teach people prime numbers, and I wrote a song. So I hope you enjoy it, and this is how I learned my prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 are the first 5 prime numbers. 13, 17, and 19 are the next 3 that came to me. 23, 29, 31, it sure sounds right to me. How about we learn just 3 more? 37, 41, and 43. 37, 41, and 43. Those are the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, 13, 17, and 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, and 43, 37, 41, and 43. Yeah, I didn't get an A in the class. All right. Now that we've listened to me sing about the prime numbers, let's just talk about them really quickly. Prime numbers are just numbers that are divisible by 1 and themselves. So if you think about factors, right? If we take the number 5, for example, 5 can only be 1 times 5. There's nothing else that equals 5. Or 19 is only 1 times 19. There's nothing else in between that is another factor. So prime numbers only have one factor group, 1 and their number. Okay? That's what makes them special. Now we can use prime numbers to do a little bit of a special factoring called prime factorization. Let's check it out. So here we have the number 50. Okay, so normally we would do like 1 times 50, but we're going to do this a little bit differently. So just go ahead and watch as I break this down. Now, what can I divide 50 by out of this list here? 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Those are our first 5 prime numbers. Which one can go into 50? 5 does. Well, 5 goes in there 10 times. So we have 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, that's interesting. So 5 is a prime number, so we're going to go ahead and circle it. But 10 is not. So can any of our numbers go into 10? Yeah, 2. 2 times 5. Okay, so 2 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. Okay, so that's it. Now we only have prime numbers. So what we're going to say is the prime factorization of 50 is going to be 2 times 5 times 5. So 2 times 5 times 5 should equal 50. Let's see. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 times 5 is 50. It does. All right, so we're just trying to break down our number into only prime numbers. So this one is 2 times 5 times 5 equals 50. Now, you probably haven't seen an exponent yet, but we can also write this as 2 times 5 to the second power. Okay, if you've never seen that before, don't worry about it. We're not going to care too much about that today. So let's go ahead and try the next one. Okay, here we have number 28. Let's do it together. What numbers from this list can we multiply to get 28? Anybody have an idea? Yeah. Okay, 7 times 4. That's great. 7 is a prime number. It's on our list. So we have 7 right here. What about 4? Is it on our list? No. So can we break up 4 into anything else from our list? I know we can do 1 and 4, but that doesn't help us. 2 and 2? Okay, 2 and 2. And 2 is on our list. Excellent. So here we have 2 times 2 times 7. And this will equal 28. Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7, 28. Bingo. Very, very nice. You did great. Let's see if you can try one on your own. They're not really that hard, right? Good. Okay, you have the number 30. So go ahead and try it on your own. I'm going to reveal the way I get it after you come back. So go ahead, do it on your piece of paper. I'll reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. So what did you get? Well, if you got 2 times 3 times 5, you would have found the right answer. All right. If you got that, congratulations. You can move on to the next lesson. If not, let's do it together now. So we can start with 30. We can break it up any way we want. Let's start with a 2. 2 times 15. Okay. So 2 is prime. What about 15? Well, we can do 3 times 5, and those are both prime. Okay, let's say you didn't do it that way. Let's say you started with, I don't know, the 3. 3 times 10. That would make sense, right? And then 10 we can break up into 2 times 5. We still end up with 2, 3, and 5. Okay, we could do it another way. Let's go ahead and do 5 times 6. That also equals 30. 5 times 6, there's a 5. 6 is 3 and 2. And again, we have 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so either way you do it, you end up with 2 times 3 times 5. And that is the prime factorization of 30. We're just finding the primes that you can multiply together to equal a number. Okay, I hope that made sense. It's not really a skill you're going to use a ton in the 4th grade, but you will be asked to know your prime numbers. So remember, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, they're the first 5 prime numbers. Okay, see you next time.